The TOPS C.U.T 4.0 is ready for action. Its unique design makes it both a great compact fixed blade and rugged utility knife. It features a 4.125-inch blade and an overall length of 8.5 inches, giving users the ability to maneuver it efficiently and effectively. The C.U.T 4.0 is made with rugged 1095 steel and burly micarta handle scales, and features a built-in finger ring for added dexterity. The TOPS C.U.T 4.0 comes standard with a black blade finish and a dragonfly micarta handle, as well as its high-quality durable black kydex sheath and an attached whistle for safety. However you slice it, the TOPS C.U.T 4.0 is built here in the USA and is covered by TOPS Knives limited lifetime warranty. Do you have a favorite TOPS knife? Let us know in the comments below, and check the link in the description to buy one today. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.